If you want to build a YouTube automation channel in 2026, you don't need a big team. You need the right AI stack. In this video, I am going to show you the exact tools I would use today to run a fully automated YouTube channel. From idea to upload, step by step. This is not theory. This is a full production system. YouTube automation has 5 core stages. 1. Research. 2. Script writing. 3. Voiceover. 4. Video production. 5. Thumbnail plus optimization. If one stage is weak, the system fails. So let's break down the best AI tools for each stage. Before creating anything, you need validated ideas. For research, I would use YouTube Search Autocomplete, Google Trends, AI keyword clustering. And for AI-assisted idea generation, I would use tools like OpenAI ChatGPT. Use it to generate 50 video ideas, clustered keywords, analyze competitor structure, content outlines. But remember, AI suggests. You validate manually. For scripting, I use AI to create first drafts, then refine. Tools: OpenAI. Notion for organizing scripts. Prompt structure I use. Write a 12-minute YouTube script on topic. Use structured sections, examples, actionable advice, and global tone. Avoid fluff. Then I edit. Remove repetition, simplify language, strengthen hooks. Never upload raw AI scripts. If you don't want to record your voice, use realistic AI voice tools. Top choices in 2026. ElevenLabs PlayHT. What to look for: natural pacing, neutral accent, emotional tone control. Avoid robotic voices. Retention drops fast. Now we convert script to visuals. There are 3 approaches. Option 1. Stock plus motion graphics. Option 2. AI-generated cinematic footage. Option 3. Explicable style animation. AI tools for video, Runway, Pika, Canva. Workflow example. Script gives. Break into scenes. Gives generate AI. Visuals. Gives add motion. Sync voice. Add captions. Keep visuals clean. Don't overeat. Your thumbnail determines whether anyone sees your video. 4. Thumbnail design. Canva, Adobe, Photoshop. Rules: 3 to 5 words. Max high contrast. 1 strong emotion. Clear promise. Thumbnail first, then title. Here is how I would structure production weekly. Day 1, research and outline. Day 2, script draft. Day 3, voiceover generation. Day 4, visual production. Day 5, thumbnail plus upload. 1 video per week consistently beats 5 rushed videos. Now, the real leverage. Don't rely only on AdSense. For tool-based content, affiliate links in description. Comparison. Videos free checklist. Email list capture. This turns a simple video into a revenue system. YouTube automation in 2026 is not about shortcuts. It's about systems. If you build a clean AI production stack and stay consistent, your channel becomes a compounding asset. In this video, I'll show you the biggest mistakes that destroy automation channels before they grow. Subscribe if you're building strategically.